Hello and welcome to my Google Library. Today I'm going to be talking about my favorite books, my least favorite, and some content that I would be using in my classroom. Um, Out of this project, I actually got a lot of new books that I didn't know existed. I am so used to reading a lot of kinder and first grade books that I didn't realize that there was a lot more than that were just so connecting and then so cute. My favorite books, I should say, I didn't really have one specific one, but I really loved The Little Engine That Could. This one's a great book to use with students, and this shows them to persevere with whatever they're doing, their tasks. I love The Snowy Day. That's one of my favorite books too. The Invisible Boy. The Day the Crayon Came Home. That one's really cute too. Dragon Loves Tacos, Love Monster. And then I really enjoyed reading Finding Weenie. That is such a cute book. I also liked I Am Abraham Lincoln. Aliens Are Coming. That one was really fun. Another book that I really enjoyed was Radiant Child. That one was a very nice, well written book. I didn't really have a least favorite, but I could say that my least favorite genre would be the informational and bibliography. There's not a lot of imagination, and I've always noticed that kids love the picture books, love the whole out of the box type of thing. Um, but yeah, the bibliography definitely not one of my favorites. And being the reason that it's just not very fun, especially at an elementary age. I get it if they were in high school. It's more informational. You start liking certain things, but not for little ones. A book that I would use in my classroom, like I mentioned earlier, was The Little Engine That Could. This book helps a lot of the kids persevere through what they're doing. They're so used to mom and dad doing the things for them, that they don't realize that they actually have two little hands that work on their own and they don't need mommy to guide them. So this one would be definitely something that I would use in my classroom. And this would be like towards the beginning, like starting school. And then I know it's not a book, but a genre that I would pick for my classroom would be traditional literature folk tales, because there's so many different folk tales, and they authors have written them in so many different in different ways, like the Three Little Pigs. I know that there's a whole bunch of different versions, Little Red Riding Hood, and they would be a lot of fun just to incorporate them and to do a compare and contrast in the classroom. This way the kids would get to see the difference in authors and other illustrators. And this will conclude my Google Library. Thank you so much and have a great day.